Hello, 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 hello. Hi. I don't know. Welcome on in, everybody. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I got my circle pad replaced today. Oh yeah, I had to go and do a bunch of setting fixes after taking apart my 3DS, resetting the time, putting I made sure to calibrate the new circle pad just to make sure it's good. Let me tell you, it feels nice. It's not perfect, but it feels nice. I still feel a little bit of a issue in one corner of my circle pad area. I have a feeling that's from the old one having some bad play though. You know how it is. Welcome on, Sir Zeds. Let's go ahead and get this timer started. Also, I finally got my PS3 set up for capture, which means I can play Ragnarok Odyssey Ace on that. Which means Final Fantasy Explorers is the final portable game. Yay for my hands. I'm just glad I got the grip for the 3DS. It's made playing it so much better. Alright, let's go ahead and do this mission that we were going to do last week. I'm doing alright. How are you doing? Yep. No, I don't really have Citra plans, mainly because I don't have a computer that can run Citra well anyway. I think I'd be limited to like 25 or 30 frames per second on my computer. I do plan on trying to attempt G rank on this. I stopped the plan initially because my thumbstick was bad, but now that's replaced, so you know. Attempting is the key word. My goal is try, but if I can't make it, I can't make it. I'm not a great video game player. Either way, because we're on the caravan right now, we're gonna go all the way to finish caravan 9. Caravan 10 will not be played until I finish G ranking, if I make it that far, because caravan 10 requires G rank equipment. And it's all bonus missions anyway, from my understanding. Yeah, I know. I do have Pretendo ready though. See, Pretendo. Anyway. Why did I kill that thing? I didn't need to. I turned off my PS3 after having been on for an hour. The only reason I left it on while I wasn't even using it was so I could charge up the controller a bit, because it's been so long since I used my PS3 that the controller was completely dead. I also, the reason I don't really use my PS3 much is entirely because, well, it's slow. I do plan on actually playing it more, though, now that I can actually capture stuff off of it, because now I actually have a reason to go back and play some older games I have for that system as well. Where is this thing? Why did I go this way? After I finish my hunting RPG thing I'm doing, I might go back and play Dynasty Warriors Gundam on there. I do have Infamous on there right now. There are some games I'm going to avoid because of licensed music. I'm not going to play my sports games on stream because of uh, licensing. I only had 2 sports games anyway: MLB The Show and PES 17. I went here again like a fool. I've never actually played the God of War games. Oh yeah, this feels much better. I can't even twist my thumb pad anymore like I could with the previous one. When I replaced the old one, I found out why I was having issues with it. Turns out the thumbstick was cracked. It happens. Parts degrade over time. Is that? Nope. No observation balloon. I have to actually go find this thing. I wish I had the backwards compatible PS3 though. That way I don't have to hook up my PS2 to the capture equipment. I mean, it's hooked up technically because my capture equipment is just hooked up to the TV. But you know, and everything goes through it. But the upscaler I have for the PS. Oh wait, I can probably hook up the component cable for the PS3 and make it look nicer. I've probably gotten a couple hits in there. Oh well. Yep. You have a nice night. Whoop. Watch out. Ow. You're aggressive right now, aren't you? What the heck happened there? Get up here, you. Let's try and knock it down, but didn't work. Alright. Gotta get used to the new circle pad. It still doesn't grip quite right to my thumb yet, because it's still got that new the new rubber that hasn't been broken in yet. You know. You can tell the difference between a new controller and one that's been used for a while. There we are. Surprised you're not low on health yet. Been laying into you. You're like the Yeon Cuckoo line actually tells you when they're low on health. You don't have to wait for them to limp, you can just see them turn their ears back. Ow. That wasn't very nice. Missed. Didn't go this way. Apparently. Apparently I need to restore my trash so I can get back to base. Horse it left. Didn't go this way, apparently. See it stopped for water. Nope. That's what we call timing. My weapon sharpness decreased right when I need now return my time spent sign back on. There we go. But yeah, weapon decreased, strength, durability, or sharpness decreased right at when I hit the thing. Alright, now for the easy quest to get out knocked out real quick. But actually, let me restore my items before I forget again. Oh, did not mean to put away the whetstone. for the ones where you just sit back and wait. The real fun part is if I remember correctly, I actually need to do some uh, multiplayer quests before I can actually finish single player and without G rank, just because I need to unlock the rest of the rank 6 quests. But we'll get there when we get to rank 10. Right now we're just waiting on harvest passes or paw passes. Words, please. Oop. Don't want to discard that because I'd have to ban quests or be stuck here for an hour. And banning a Harvest Tour quest is just sad. Bong, 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 bong. Come on, hurry up. In case anybody's wondering why I'm in such a good mood today, not only did I get my 3DS fixed, and my PS3 set up, I also finally got new Wiimotes. So they're generic knockoff ones, but they work fine. I do need to follow down the edges on the D-pads because they are sharp. But other than that, they work perfectly fine. I have no issues with them other than that. Which is good because there's other games I would like to play that are on my Wii and Wii U. Anyway, I'm curious about something. Give me one second. I'm checking something on speedrun. Uh, 4 hour, 4.5 hour. Okay. All right. So I was curious if there was a speedrun for Cold Step to Revolt, and 4.5 hours, while that is faster than the game itself takes, is still a long speedrun. The original Bomberman's 42 minutes for the speedrun. That's the world record. The average appears to be around 1 hour. I bet there's some weird tricks or whatever. It does say all stages, so there's no stage skipping. I'm sure there's some tricks to manipulate the AI to your advantage. Because while the AI is not super smart in the original, it's still not completely... Anybody can beat it without even thinking about it. Anyway. Yeah, I don't care. I just want you to stop jumping around. That's annoying me. Whee. I have no idea how long I'm going to stream for today. We'll see how I'm feeling, but... Oh, I heard something interesting yesterday. It's something I haven't heard in a long time. I heard frogs outside. I live in a drained swamp area, and I used to see frogs every day as a kid during summer, but I haven't seen them in years. I mean, I'm not outside as often as I was as a kid, but the fact that I heard them for the first time in years last night is saying something. Especially considering for a few years I was walking to and from work every day, which is a 1.5 mile walk in one direction. So at night, if they were around, I should have heard them. This is a frog appreciation moment. Come on, just give me it. There it is. You know, I want to meet somebody who has a controller mod on a 3DS, because if you want it, you had to do it first. Always you had to take apart the capture mod. Or it's possible to do a Bluetooth mod on this, just for Bluetooth controller mod on this. That won't get in the way of things. I have to look that up later. I'm gonna make a note of that so I remember to look that up later. Okay. I saw a thing that turns a Game Boy Advance into a wireless controller. That's cool. I kind of want one just for the novelty, but it's also $100. I'm not spending $100 on a novelty cart. No offense to the people who made it. It's just I know since you're doing small production, it's not gonna be cheap. But like at the same time, you know. Alright, the new thumbstick's trying to loosen up just right. Not in the oh no I just broke it way, but you know what I mean. Like it's not feeling as tight as a brand spanking new one will. Oh, I never noticed this has a sound effect when it's put away. I didn't mean to actually attack him, I was just gonna make a joke about threatening him. Imagine they did what like games like Dungeons and Dreadmore do, where if you attack him, he just turns into this super annoying thing that's really hard to kill. And he can kill you in like 1 or 2 hits. Mm. Huh. Apparently I can do it without a hard mod. Sorry. I might have to test that later. Yep, I'm gonna have to double check that later. Test it for myself. Out of pure curiosity. Something I think we all understand. Oh, by the way, of course, when I was inside my 3DS earlier, I took my clip tool and went around the edges and scraped off any build-up that slowly happened over time, and then dusted out the entire thing with a can of air. Where's this at? Everwood. Okay. So I don't need to worry about hot or cool drinks at all. And, aw. Oh, if anybody if for some reason Twitch says I'm streaming Opus, you just need to refresh Twitch. I forgot to change the game category when I went live earlier. Huh, I didn't know there was a desert option for the Everwood. I mean, it's obviously not doing full drink, but you know. Yay, new circle pad. This doesn't feel wonky anymore. Okay. There we go. I didn't even finish the subquest myself, he did. Good job, buddy. You killed your teammates. Uh, d -d 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 Well, yeah, after stream, I'm gonna be doing stuff like cleaning my, actually getting my PS3 properly dusted and everything. Ooh, I just looked at my health. I need to heal. There we go. Get up there. Hey, buddy, I'll start with you in a moment. Right now, I gotta finish killing your buddy here. Ow. That's where hitting these things sometimes is like trying to hit a ping pong ball in a giant room. Sure, it's gonna bounce, but like you don't know which way it's gonna go, and you still have to cross the entire room if you try hit it. Oh, shut up and fall over already. Thank you. Oh, I unlocked a new song. I was like, what are you talking about? AO request. Let's go see what this new song's like. I selected the wrong one. Can I even leave while it's playing? Okay, I can. We don't want a prelude. We've already heard prelude. It was a while ago, but we have. There we go. Remember, it's the rules. If you unlock a new D.Va song, you have to listen to it. But yeah, if that controller hack works well and there's no noticeable input latency, I might use that instead, just so I can play a little more comfortably. You know, use a PS4 controller or something. Then, well, since we checked the rest of the world, so let's see if anybody wants to talk to us. I wish it would be more obvious and like show the dots on the map, but it doesn't. Not Gathering Hall. Nobody ever wants to talk to us in the Gathering Hall. Outside specific cutscenes, but they always tell you when to go there. Nobody wants to talk to us right now. Okay. What's really funny is there's a chance that Oracle will be completely useless. Because there's always a chance it just spawns right there. Or you spawn right where it's at. Okay. Which version of Volcano am I in? Sunken Hollow. Okay, so I don't need to worry about hot drinks. I heard you. Right over your... Ow! Not cool, bro. Even with that extra toxic poison, not cool. Oof. You missed this time. Thank you. This thing went straight for hyper aggressive immediately. Oh, the grip has been helping a lot. The reason I want to try the controller mod is just because of this particular game itself. Because even with the grip, it's still not great on the 3. It's not great to play on the 3DS, you know. Plus, I like to keep my new circle pad lasting as long as possible. Damn it! Will you stop poisoning me? I'm a full spectrum warrior. Wait, how'd I get poisoned? Did not mean to do that. I hate the instant flash attack. Calm down. Which way are you going? Okay. The Crystal Cave. Okay. Why won't you press brake? Ow. Sharpen. I think I'll go till the sun gets in the way of my vision. So that's gonna be about another hour. Ow. I hate that rubbery tail. Yeah, I know you ain't dead yet. I saw someone earlier talking about how this monster is just terrible, and I'm just like, it was the original. It's the first idea of a subspecies, really. It was a harder to beat Yeon Kutku before they had Yeon Garuga and the update release as of 1. Really faking your death twice, huh? Because I don't trust myself. Just making sure. Though I'm 90% sure it's going all the way to the top. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Remember, shock traps don't work on Gypceros. They're the rubber chickens, after all. I was taking my time to get up there so I can go to sleep, so I can set this trap more efficiently. Okay, that works too. Honestly, most people set traps so they can get extra parts from the monsters. I set traps so I don't have to deal with fighting them. I had a feeling that might happen, but you know. Alright. I didn't do the subquest. Oh no. Oh well. Wasn't even crown worthy. Come on. Alright, with that, I will be right back. I do apologize. Everybody stretch, hydrate, do whatever you need to do, and we'll see you in just a couple minutes. Be right back. Alright, we are back. Maybe. Tried picking up my 3DS and got the capture cable got caught on my PS5 controller over here. Oh wait, that was a someone gave me that quest. I got. Wait, was it? I think it was. Let me check, see if anybody wants to talk, because I think that one was the one where someone gave it to me. I'm allowed to forget things, okay? Alright, looks like it wasn't. Yep, it wasn't. Okay. Or it was, so it was one of the ones where they don't want to talk to me after. Either way. Even better. See if I got anything new. Could it be? Oh, it's not the one I thought it was. Pretty sure I'll take a new one. Just trying to figure out which monster. I don't know, whatever. Not yet. I gotta level up the insect first, because otherwise it'll be useless. Oh, that one's got water element, huh? Versus my dragon. One second, I do apologize. Alright, sorry about that. I thought I felt something was coming, but nothing happened, so. Well, apparently I'm already seen by one of them. That worked out for me, though. Get back up here. Thank you. But yeah, I swear those are one of the worst feelings in the world, is the false sneezes, where you feel a tickle in your nose but nothing happens. Tomorrow, though, I plan on doing a longer stream. Don't know how long, but, you know, I will be starting earlier, so just started late today because I was just doing things. I got to go to the store and get a new cable for my PS3 because I lost my charger cable for the controller. I don't know how I lost it. I might have thrown it away on accident or something. The Conchu can just latch onto these guys? I find it funny when he's in rage, it kind of looks like he's running on his middle fingers, like flipping you off constantly as he runs. Ah, come on, move. Ow. Make sure I'm good. Because I don't want to hit him once and immediately go, your weapon is, sharpness has decreased. Ow. Fuck. Ow. Alright, definitely sings this time. Okay. Ow! Fuck you. Looks like they're both leaving. Okay. Works out for me. So I can chase him down to his little hole, which is... Where's the spot? Oh, it's right here. Oh, that's not the exit. That's the exit. Are you serious? Oh no, he's just... Come on. He actually did run away. Well, that's a waste of a trap. Um... I've never seen them die this way. That is hilarious. Oh, beautiful. Oh, jeez. Not... Oh wait, no, this is the way I want to go. Okay. Gotta find where the Gypsiperos went. Or Gypseros. Gypserops, sip sip sup sups. Not here. Let's see if the if it is right now, see it here. Which usually means it's not. There are some areas on certain maps where you can't see them, period, but you know. That's creepy looking from down below, actually. Where's this thing at? Alright, let's head back to camp since we're here anyway. Get some rations. You're over here where the dead body was now? There you are. Get down here. Thank you. Ow. Are you serious? Like to not die game. Try to keep my deaths to a minimum, especially when I'm at full setup for the insect wave. Is there a country next thing? No? What the fuck was that noise then? Ow. I didn't get a chance to see you doing that. God, the Juiciferosis are aggressive today. I like to not be stuck at the back. And back we go. I love when the game still thinks I'm running away from things that aren't even in the same area right now. Come on. I have no idea how that counts as a dodge, but I'm not going to complain. I started the D-stun before it even showed me stunned. Alright, 90% sure where you're going, but let's find out. I still don't know why there's so many dragon bones here. What's this place called again? Elderwood? Oh, Primal Forest, that's right. Alright, Everwood is what I was thinking of for some reason. And that's the randomized place, so... Anyway. They didn't come here? Huh. That's new. Usually it goes there. And he went to 9. Yep, it did. Wrong one. Paintball, that'll work. I already unlocked the last of those rank 6s. They're going to go by really fast. Because I'll have the equipment that's much higher. Hey, Forge, can I forge my favorite weapon yet? Nope. Oh, this way. How did I know you were going to have something for me? Alright, you. First, let's make a few more of these. There we go. And now... That'll come in handy. Alright, let's go hunt a Cephadrome. Do I have cool drinks on me? I do. Good. I already know where it's gonna be. This was actually one of the last fights I did in this game, if I remember correctly, before I moved on to Monster Hunter Generations. It's the big one. Everybody complains about Plesioth, hip checks and all that, but I will always hate Cephadrome more than Plesioth. It doesn't even make sense anatomically speaking. Or ecologically speaking. Those web feet would just get in the way when doing underground shit. There's a reason most burrowers that have feet, so to speak, have their claws individualized and spread. hate Cephadrome. Oh, right, it was cool drink I needed. Take care of that before I go in there. Ow, fuck, that one hurt. Run, 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 run. By the way, whether I fail this quest or succeed, this is going to be the end of the stream today. What the? Oh, he's up there. I was confused. Time to run away so I can try to sharpen my weapon. Alright, let's go. And I retreated, shocking no one. Different area, huh? I don't know if it went to the cave over here. I don't remember where spots it goes are. Not this one. Any signs of the balloon? Nope. So I'm on my own. Yay. Which means as it sleep, it has a chance to heal up and make this even more of a hell. I swear, it's gonna turn out to be in 3, isn't it? For some weird reason. I know not to check 11, that's the feline village. Oh, big fish. Anyway, let's double check over here. Nope. There it is, the sun's starting to get to that spot. Started getting brighter in my window. The only reason it's not actually blinding me right now is because there's some clouds in the sky. Okay, where is it? I must have already missed it then. Hey old man, you got any psycho serums? Yes, thank you. It's back in 7. And now it's over in 3. All nice and asleep, huh? How'd that work out for you, buddy? Yeah. Honestly, I'd go longer, but I am starting to feel tired. I don't know why. Alright. With that, we're going to go ahead and stop the timer and start a raid. I already found someone to raid because I decided to look while we were loading stream or loading the area. Alright. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and raid Linzilla 17. They're also playing Monster Hunter 4. They're a little further than I am. They're fighting a Cantor. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. I'll everybody go say hi. Raid message is going to be there we go. Message is gonna be coming at you like a cephadrome. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. You all have a nice night. I'll see whoever's here tomorrow. In the meantime, bye bye.